Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Gaurav Yadav, a passionate Salesforce architect and multi-cloud specialist with over 10 years of experience in IT applications and software engineering. On my YouTube channel, I share valuable insights and tutorials on Salesforce, cloud technologies, and cutting-edge industry developments. Whether you are a Salesforce enthusiast, an experienced developer, or interested in leveraging technology to transform business, you are in the right place. Each video is carefully crafted to provide a good understanding of Salesforce and its features. So, if you are ready to learn Salesforce, hit that subscribe button and join our community of Discover Salesforce with Gaurav Yadav. Without a further ado, let's get started. This is the first episode of video series on Slack. In this series, I will be covering various aspects of Slack from its core feature to advanced techniques for maximizing productivity, collaboration. This series is especially created for developers but not limited to them. Some of its episodes can be referred to as working guide to kickstart yourselves in Slack. Today, we are starting with an overview of Slack and its key functionalities. In this first video, I am going to give you an overview of Slack. Let's get started. What is Slack? Slack is a powerful messaging and collaboration platform used by teams of all sizes. It goes beyond a simple communication tool and offers a wide range of features that can be transformed the way you work. Slack is all about productivity. You can customize it as per your business need and it is your digital HQ. While Slack started as a collaboration tool, it has evolved into much more. It can serve as a central hub for team communication, file sharing, project management, and integration with other applications. Slack is more than just a collaboration tool. It can also be used for variety of purposes such as for customer support, for marketing, for sales. For customer support, Slack can be used to provide customer support to your customers. For example, you can create a channel for customer support tickets and use Slack search feature to find all tickets quickly. I will show you how to use Slack search feature effectively in upcoming episodes. For marketing, Slack can be used to communicate with your marketing team and track your marketing campaigns. For example, you can create a channel for marketing announcements and use Slack's integration with other tools to track performance of your campaigns. For sales, Slack can be used to communicate with your sales team and track your sales leads. For example, you can create channel for sales leads and use Slack's reminder feature to follow up on leads that haven't been contacted in a while. There is a one episode dedicated to remind features in Slack. Stay tuned to this channel for that. Let's get started using Slack. To get started, very first step is to go to the Slack workspace. Open your preferred browser and enter URL for your Slack workspace. Let me jump to a browser. You can go to any of your preferred browser, enter the URL slack.com, and here if you are not already having any Slack account or Slack workspace, you can sign up to the Slack using your preferred way. Either you can sign up with the email address or you can sign up with directly with the Google. Let me click. I am signing up with my Google account. So your email ID is associated with any number of workspaces. We will be demoing with Discover Salesforce. Once you reach the Slack homepage, you will need to sign in with your credential and enter the workspace name, email address, username, password, and then click on sign in button. If you don't have a Slack workspace yet, you can create one of by clicking on the create new workspaces option on the Slack homepage. Follow the instruction to set up your workspaces. After signing in or creating a new workspace, you will be directed to the Slack dashboard where you can start exploring and utilizing the various features and functionalities that Slack offers. Here, I will be using the Slack browser version. Let me cancel it. You can use the Slack directly in your browser or you can download a desktop application as well. Okay. Congratulations, you have done your first step, signing up or signing in into the Slack workspace. If still you haven't, just pause this video and do follow all the instructions of creating your new workspace. This is the look and feel how the Slack looked like, and in further videos or further episodes we will talk more about how to use the Slack. For upcoming videos, we will be dive into the following topic: explore Slack channels. We will discuss the different type of Slack channels available in Slack, guide you on creating the Slack channel that suits your needs best. Effective communication with Slack. Discover the various modes of communication within Slack, including the ability to directly send emails to Slack channels. Harnessing the power of Remind Later. Instead of relying on separate applications for reminders and to-do lists, Slack offers a fantastic built-in feature called Remind Later. We will demonstrate how to use it not only for personal reminder but also for the entire team. Unleashing the potential of Canvas. Slack's whiteboard feature, known as Canvas, enables you to do much more, from defining project templates to writing meeting minutes (MOMs). We will provide you with the various examples in this episode. Mastering Slack's search feature. Searching for old conversations can be a major challenge in most of the communication tools, but not with Slack. We will explore Slack's well organized search feature, allowing you to drill down the minute details during your search. Embarrassing hurdles. Need to jump on a call quickly with one person or the entire team? Slack's hurdle feature is just one click away. Say goodbye to setting up separate calls or sending emails for this purpose. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.